Hi, my name is Rich Sermonello. I'm a professional photographer and Amazon influencer, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Ambitful C-Stand kit. Now, one of the coolest parts about the kit is that it comes in a case. So you may notice there's no C-Stand behind me. That's because it's over there in the bag. So let me grab it for you. So this is a C-Stand bag or a case. It's a soft padded case. It comes with one C-Stand, and I'm going to take it out and set it up and show you all the pieces that it comes with. The case has been designed to hold two C-Stands. So if you have a second C-Stand or if you pick one up from Ambitful, you can get both of them in this soft carry bag. Let me show you how it works. So let me unzip it, and we're going to take out the one that's in here. Okay, now on one side of the case, we have the legs and the grip arms, the grip hands, and the other side we have the center column and the boom. So I'm going to take out the grip heads, put them on a table over here, and I'm going to take out the legs and set them up. So legs are pretty standard. They open up, lock into place. You get a nice solid base there. And then on the other side of the case, we have the riser and the boom arm. Okay, just gonna push this aside for a sec. Let me talk about the riser. So the riser has a foam or neoprene grip here, which makes it really good for you to carry if you need to pick up the C-Stand and move it along. This is a good place to grip it so your hand doesn't slide on the metal. And it also comes with this little plastic clip, which you can use for some cable control. If you've got a light on the stand and you want to attach the, keep the cord from going all over the place, you can sort of keep it lined up with the center column of the stand. The center column has two risers, and both risers have springs. So you can not worry if you are adjusting the height of the stand and you drop it suddenly by mistake, it comes down. There's a little spring there to absorb the impact and protect your gear. All right. Setting it up is really simple. You just drop it in the base and tighten the bolt. Now you've got a nice solid C-Stand. Perfect. Love it. All right, let me talk to you about the grip heads. There's two of them, and they're identical. What I really like about them is the handle is a little bit oversized compared to some of the other C-Stands that I have. So having a nice big handle means that you can put a lot more force on it to lock it and unlock it, so I think that that's really cool. And then, of course, this is the side that sits on top of the center post in the riser and locks it to the C-Stand. You've got the hand bolt, but you've also got a second bolt here that you can tighten with an Allen wrench if you want some extra security. So let me pop this one on the top there. I'm just going to do the hand bolt, and that's pretty tight, pretty solid. There it is. I'm going to turn this around, and then we're going to put the riser, we're going to put the boom in, and the boom is still in the case here. So the boom has a spigot on both ends. On one end, it has a 5/8 threaded tip, and on the other one, it has a 1/4 inch threaded tip with a little cap on it. Okay, you can keep the cap on there, or you can discard the cap if you want. I keep it on here because my stand's new, but eventually I'll probably lose it. It's not really a big deal, but there you go. So you've got both sides, both sizes covered if you need to screw anything to the end. And then all you need to do is slide it right through the hole on the grip. Make sure it's loose. Get it in there. And it's very easy to tighten with one hand. And you've got really solid, it's not going anywhere. All right, this thing is perfectly solid. What's turning here? What's turning is the center column. All right, so you've got a super, super solid C-Stand right here. We do have a second grip head. It's identical to the first one. And this can be used for a number of things. You can put it on the end up here, and then you can use the clamp side to hold the reflector, a piece of foam core. You could put a pin in here and put a light on it, so you have like another way of angling or adjusting the position of the light. So it's really handy for that. You can use this for a lot of different things. Or you can put it right on the end and screw this in as like we did with the one on the center column. Another thing you can do is use it as a counterweight. So if you've got a light on one end and you want to put a little counterweight on the back side to keep it balanced, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to screw this on here. Whoops, make sure you got it going in the right hole. And there you are. So we've got a really solid C-stand. Just takes a minute to assemble, and it's perfect. I mean, I love it. I love it. It's just as sturdy and strong and flexible as any other C-stand I have by any other manufacturer. So I'm really happy about that. Now the kit comes with a couple of other things. In addition to the C-stand, the boom, the 2 grip heads, and the case, it also comes with a sandbag, and it's a standard sandbag. There are 2 pockets, one on either side, just with a zipper. The pockets are not lined, so it's kind of a simple one. You can put sand in here if you want. You can put stones. You can put, sometimes I put water bottles, you know, just anything to weigh it down. And again, you have 2 sides. It has a handle here, and it has a carabiner. So you can clip it to the light stand or maybe the second grip head somehow to act as a counterweight. You can clip it to the bottom of your camera tripod, or you can just lie it over the big leg of the C-stand. Obviously you'd want to have something in it. Doesn't do much without any weight in it, to sort of hold things steady and just have it over the leg, and it works that way too. And one more thing that the kit comes with, or I should say 4 more things, is you get 4 plastic spring clamps. And spring clamps are usable for, I don't know, a variety of things in a photo studio. You can use it to clip backgrounds. You can use it sometimes to clip garments and make things appear more fitted. These things just have a million uses, and they're really handy to have. So you've got 4 of them. They look like they're about 3 inches. I don't know the exact size, but super handy to have around. The spring in them is pretty solid, and they're going to be pretty useful. So that's it. Based on all the stuff that you get and the price that they're asking for this kit, I think it's an excellent value for the money. I have no hesitation using that C-stand with any of my equipment, lighting equipment, put a camera on it, anything I would do with another C-stand, even use it to hold a background. I think this is a perfectly solid kit. I think it's a great price, and I really like the case. That's kind of my favorite bit of it all. So I hope this helps. I definitely recommend this if you're thinking about it. I say go for it.